Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 36, and we're continuing our journey with Django. We'll cover defining models and creating a database schema using the Django admin interface for data management and rendering dynamic content with Django templates. Let's get started. Let's dive right into defining models and creating a database schema. Models in Django define the structure of your database, essentially your data schema. Let's create a post model for our blog application. Open blog.models.py and define the post model. This model defines a post with a title, content, and date_posted fields. Next, let's create the database schema by running python manage.py make migrations, python manage.py migrate. The make migrations command creates migration files that represent the changes you made to your models, and migrate applies those changes to the database. One of Django's coolest features is the built-in admin interface, which allows you to manage your application's data easily. To use it, you need to register your models with the admin site. Open blogs administration py and register the post model. Create a super user to access the admin interface. After creating the super user, start the development server. Navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000 admin in your browser and log in with your super user credentials. You should see the admin interface, where you can add, edit, and delete post objects. Now, let's use Django templates to render dynamic content. Templates in Django help you separate the presentation logic from the Python code. Let's create a simple view to display all blog posts on the home page. Open blog.views.py and define a view that retrieves all posts and renders them using a template. Now, create a template directory inside the blog app. Within this directory, create a new folder named blog, and inside it, create a file named home.html. In home.html, add the following HTML to display the posts. Finally, update visitor_urls.py to map the home view to the root URL. Start the development server again if it's not running. Open your browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:8000 to see the blog posts displayed on the home page. And that's a wrap for day 36 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we built upon our Django knowledge by defining models, creating a database schema, managing data with the admin interface, and rendering dynamic content using Django templates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 37. Keep coding and happy learning.